Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save your history in Google Chrome, full guide step by step clearly. To save your history in Google Chrome, first, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. In the upper right corner, click the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the menu, select History. You will see a list of your browsing history. If you want to save a specific web page from your history, locate it in the list. You can use the search bar at the top of the history page to find a specific site or page more quickly. Once you've found the page you want to save, click on it to open it in a new tab. To create a bookmark for this page, click the star icon in the address bar at the top. A small window will appear, allowing you to name your bookmark. Choose a name and select a folder where you want to save it. Click Done to save the bookmark. If you want to save all your browsing history, you can do this by exporting it. Use a Google Chrome extension that allows exporting history, such as Export History. Install the extension from the After installation, open the extension from the toolbar. Follow the prompts to export your history to a file format of your choice. Select the desired folder on your computer to save the exported file. You can now access your saved browsing history in the location you chose. If you're using multiple devices, make sure you're signed into your Google account. This way, your browsing history can sync across devices. You can adjust your sync settings by going to Settings and then You in Google. Ensure that history is enabled to keep your browsing data backed up. By following these steps, you can easily save your browsing history in Google Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.